Hello again. Today we are going to work on uh, calculating interest on savings account, on a savings account. There are two general methods to calculate interest on savings account. In a bank, they either calculate your savings account, interest on your savings account based on monthly balance, minimum monthly balance, or minimum daily balance. So there are two ways of calculating interest on your saving account in a bank. First of all, what is debit? Debit is when you withdraw a money, and credit is when you deposit money. So debit is withdrawing, and credit is let's put a note there. Debit is withdrawing when you withdraw, and credit is when you deposit money into your account. In order to answer the question here, this is a saving account here. I couldn't erase the lower row. That's why I just shaded with yellow. There are transition here in the account. 1st September, your balance was 2,830, and there is credit. You withdraw money. And the first thing, the question is find the balance for the account at the end of the financial year. In order to answer question A, what we have to do is we have to find the balance. So since credit 330 kina, then what we will do 2,830, the last balance, you put 330 on top of it. So that makes 3,160 kina. So that's going to be 3,160 kina. And 9th of March, you withdraw 650 kina, so minus 650, so that makes 2,510 kina. Then again on 16th of June, you will withdraw 530 kina. That makes 1,980 kina in your balance sheet. 19th of August, you deposit 835, so plus 835, that makes 2,815 kina. So at the end of 19th of August, you have 2,815 kina in your account. That's the answer of the first question. So A is 2,815 kina. So what about BI? In this question, something is missing. What is the missing information? The interest is paid, let's say 3% per annum rate. Okay, so based on this information, find the interest payable on the savings account for the year. So they are asking, this is very important information. They are asking to calculate interest for the whole year. Sometimes they may ask for a specific month or specific months, or sometimes for the year. So we will calculate for the whole year. The first question is interest is calculated on the minimum monthly balance. So we have 12 months in a year. September to okay, we started September, your account started in September, so we will calculate until end of August. So for the month of September, how much we have in your account? 2,830 kina. What about month of September? After September, we come October. In October, again, you have the same amount. But in November, in the morning, 20th of November, in the morning, you have this amount, this balance in your account. And at the end of the day, you have this much in your account, 3,160 kina. So which they will choose? Which one the bank will choose for the month of November? The bank always choose the lowest amount. So for the month of November, there is 2,830 until 20th of November. In 20th of November, you have 3,164. 20th November, they are going to choose 2,830 because this is the amount in the morning in your account. So then it means that September to November, the capital that they will accept is 3,000. Sorry, not 3,000. 2,830 kina. Okay, then after November, December comes. In December, that's in your account. January, that's in your account. February, that's in your account. But in March, there is a transition. So in 9th of March, in the morning, there is this much in your account. And in the afternoon, there is this much in your account. Which one they will choose for the month of March? they will choose the lowest amount, 2,510. So for March, the amount is 2,510. It means that December, January to February, the capital that the bank will take is 3,160. However, it will change in March. March 2, okay, March, what about April? April, there is this amount. What about May? There is this amount. But in June, you withdraw money, your account is this. So which one they will accept in June? 2,510 or 1,980? Of course, the smallest amount. Then it means that for June, it is 1,980. March, April, and May, so it means that March to May, the capital is 2,510, but in June it's going to be 1,980 until, okay, June is this, July is the same amount, August, in the morning, 19th of August in the morning, that's 1,980, in the afternoon 2,815. So which one are they going to choose for the month of August? 18th of August, you have this much. 19th of August, you have this much. So they will choose the smallest amount for the whole month, which is 1,980. It means that um, June to August, they will choose 1,980 as the capital. So what happened 2,815? It will not take into consideration because the whole year is over, September to August. Then let's calculate the interest here. So what are the interests? So interest will be, let's calculate just next to it. Let's change the color. So interest is equal to, principal is 2,830, the rate is 3%, and how many months? September, October, November, for 3 months. So 3 over 12 divided by 100. So which is equal to here, let's calculate it, 2,830 times 3 times 3, 9 divided by 1,200. So that makes 21.23. 21.23 kina. What about for next? 3,160 times 3, interest rate is 3%. How many months? December, January, February, again 3 months, divided by 12 over 100. So I will be equal to 3,160 times 9 divided by 1,400. So that makes 23.70 kina. What about others? I is equal to 2,510 is the principal, 3% per annum. March, April, May, again 3 months, divided by 100. So that will be equal to 251 times 9 divided by 1,200, 18.83 kina. 18.83 kina. And the other is 1,980 times 3 times June, July, August, again 3 months, 3 over 12 over 100. So that makes 1,980 times 9 over 1,200. That makes 14.85 kilo. So what is the total interest? Interest total. We will add all this interest amount. So 14.85 plus 18.83 plus 23.7 plus 21.23. Altogether it makes 78.61 kilo. So for the whole amount, for the whole year, if you invest your money uh, under minimum monthly balance, that's the total interest that you are going to receive for the whole year. Okay, now let's move to daily calculation. Number C, daily calculation. I forgot to say something here. When you write the time, make sure that at the end it will become 12. 3 months here, 3 months here, 6, 3 months here, 9, 3 months here, altogether 12 months. That's fine. Now for the daily account, again, we will the bank will choose the smallest amount of the day. So In 1st of September, September 1st to